Hi guys, today I am going to unbox a gaming keyboard. Its model number is k300. Let's unbox it. Yeah, here comes our keyboard, as you can see. It's actually pretty heavy, in my opinion. See the thickness of that keyboard. It's actually proper gaming keyboard. So I purchased this keyboard because of backlit picture. As you can see, the RGB colors. This is the last brightness. You can decrease and also switch it off totally, this brightness. So overall it's good. I wish this brightness I could increase more, but that's the last, but still it's good. So I would definitely recommend this product. So anyway, thank you guys. Like this video and subscribe my channel.